Hello, everyone. It's great to be here at Slush, surrounded by people who believe that the future isn't something we predict, it's something we build. My name is Gleb Chuvpilo, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Thor Dynamics. Today, I want to show you something that was considered science fiction only a few years ago, a laser-based defense system that defeats hostile drones in under 1 second for less than 1 cent per shot. We call it laser armor. And no, this isn't a concept. It's real, it's built, and it's already being evaluated by government programs and major primes. Our team exists at a rare intersection of deep tech, defense, and entrepreneurship. My co-founder, Scott, has spent over 2 decades building laser companies and holds 15 issued laser patents. We're joined by Ken Braithwaite, the 77th Secretary of the US Navy and former US Ambassador to Norway. You'll notice something here. This isn't a move fast and break things team. This is a build hard things responsibly because lives depend on it team. Let's talk about the problem. A $1,000 drone can cause up to $1 million in economic impact to critical infrastructure. A single drone flying near an airport can trigger emergency services, force flight cancellations, and require expensive security responses. And the traditional interception tools, like firing a $480,000 Stinger missile at a $1,000 quadcopter, simply don't scale. The world has reached cost asymmetry. Offense is cheap, defense is expensive. Laser armor flips that equation, sub-second defeat at less than 1 cent per shot. This makes lasers not just effective, but economically inevitable. The counter-drone market is exploding. By 2030, global spending on counter-UAS systems across defense and critical infrastructure will reach $13 billion. Our laser addressable segment, ground-based CUAS for Group 1 through 3 drones, is about $2.5 billion. Our initial serviceable and obtainable market over the next few years is 650 million across government, commercial, and foreign customers. And although we only began formal government business development in May of this year, we already have early revenue and engagement with a long list of US and allied government programs and primes. In other words, the market is ready, the demand is real, and the need is urgent. Here's the part that everyone likes to see. Laser armor delivers sub-second drone defeat. It's precise, silent, invisible, no explosives, no debris raining onto the crowd. This is the capability that restores defensive dominance in a world where cheap drones have overwhelmed every traditional approach. Let me explain how laser armor actually works. It closes the detect, track, identify, engage, assess loop in under 1 second at more than 1 kilometer. It integrates with existing radars and sensors. For course track, our EOIR modules perform fine track. AI verifies the target, then our laser executes a precise directed energy engagement. Finally, the system automatically generates a kill report and logs it to existing battlefield management systems like FAD-C2. The entire sequence costs less than a penny. Imagine defending an airport, a power plant, a border checkpoint, or a NATO base, and doing it with near zero per shot cost and minimal collateral risk. Now let's go deeper. Laser armor includes an AI copilot, a reinforcement learning system trained on thousands of attack scenarios. Using PPO reinforcement learning parallelized on GPU clusters, we simulate drone swarms, evasive maneuvers, occlusions, wind patterns, laser jitter, and dozens of environmental variables. The result is a system capable of superhuman battle management performance, helping operators make optimal decisions faster than any human could. This work has earned us membership in NVIDIA Inception, supporting our simulation and AI stack. AI isn't just a buzzword here. It's what allows lasers for the first time to operate as a scalable, robust, real-world defensive solution. Thor Dynamics is a US-Finland company. Our R&D and test range are here in Finland, including an 8,000 square foot facility and a 70-acre test range. Our US Business Development Integration Center is located at the UCF Research Park in Orlando. We're also in discussions with multiple US states, including Texas, Florida, and Utah, about a dedicated manufacturing facility. Finland, with its engineering culture and its urgent understanding of modern security threats, is an ideal home for building the next generation of defense technology. Let me close with this. The world is moving into a new era of conflict, one where drones, autonomy, and AI are fundamentally reshaping the battlefield and the protection of critical infrastructure. Our mission at Thor Dynamics is simple: to restore safety, stability, and defensive superiority through modern directed energy systems. Lasers used to belong to science fiction. Today, they belong in national security. If you're a founder, investor, researcher, or partner who wants to build the next generation of defense infrastructure, the kind that keeps airports safe, protects borders, and defends cities, we invite you to join us. Reach out at hello@thordynamics.com or find us after the session. Thank you, and welcome to the future of defense.